What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I've been saying this and again. Study the trends. Study the dividend growth trends. Many people are dropping Realty Income for this ETF. It makes sense. I'm going to still hold on to Realty Income, but I'm hoping M1 Finance adds this ETF. I'm going to show you why it makes sense that people are selling them. Now, I'm going to get to 200 shares of Realty Income and probably never sell them. But the trends say otherwise, and I'm going to still buy this ETF, but Realty Income is not cutting it for many dividend investors. And I see this on X. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, hit notification bell so don't miss future videos. Man, I am stuffy. It's about to rain. Smash that like button. Let's study the trends of this ETF right now. So first of all, Realty Income sitting at $55.94. This is a buying opportunity for many of us dividend investors. It is in the past 5 years since the pandemic. It is only up 15.55%. The S&P 500 is up 104.08%. So that's to a lot of investors that want to see their dividend stock or REIT grow and net asset value. Not a good thing. For somebody like me who's an income investor, it's great. I'm going to show you the dividend history and why people are turned off by Realty Income and selling it for this other ETF. So I'm going to start in 2017. It's a monthly dividend. The REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. 21 cents 2017, 2018 22 cents, 2019 23 cents, 2021 24 cents, 2022 25 cents, then it cracked 26 cents in 2023, it cracked 27 cents in 2025. So you see a slight high payout ratio. You get that REITs. Number of dividend increases the last 5 years is 23, but look at the dividend growth in 5 years, 3.06%. If you bought one share, you made $3.22 with a 5.68% dividend yield. So many dividend investors are not happy with seeing these numbers. Now look at the decision people made, and they provided a rational decision. I've seen this on X a lot. People are selling Realty Income for the NEOS Real Estate High Income ETF. It's sitting at 50.28. Now, why are people doing this? And honestly, they provide really good rationales as to why. So its distribution frequency is monthly, distribution rate 11.86%. The expense ratio is 0.68%. So you do have an expense ratio, again, 0.68%. The fund seeks to distribute high in levels of monthly income through a data-driven call option strategy on ETFs that seek to track the Dow Jones U.S. Real Estate Capped Index. Actively managed by NEOS, the fund seeks to offer upside potential in addition to the primary objective of high monthly income. The fund may offer efficient exposure to a portfolio of U.S. listed REITs with an enhanced layer of high monthly income potential packaged into a single ETF. So, it invests in the underlying portfolio of the U.S. listed REITs and implements a data-driven call option overlay that seeks high monthly income. Okay? I'm going to say that again. The distribution, April, 48 cents March 51 cents, February 50 cents, and January 50 cents. So you have a distribution that's higher. And again, I'm going to go over that. 48 cents, 51 cents, 50 cents, and 50 cents. So the lowest has been is 48 cents. It has holdings, okay? It actually has holdings of Realty Income. These are really good REITs. I own American Tower. The weighting is, the percentage is 7.72%. Prologis is 7.43%. Welltower, 6.77%. Digital Realty, I own them, 4.05%. Simon Property Group, I own them, 3.83%. Realty Income, 3.81%. That's just some of them. Public Storage, 3.67%. Crown Castle, 3.51%. So, thing is, you have high monthly income. The index options are classified as Section 1256 contracts, which are subject to lower 60/40 tax rate. So again, the distribution is way better than Realty Income. Now, again, you have an expense ratio of 0.68%. But the issue is the distribution of Realty Income is slow compared to the NEOS. It would take a lot of years for Realty Income to keep up with the NEOS distribution. And again, the underlying exposure is the Dow Jones US Real Estate Capped Index with a monthly distribution. And again, one more thing that they have is that 60/40 tax rate. So you are dealing with, yes, you can have a schedule a meeting with the specialist. You're dealing with a distribution that's atrocious, slow. And the NEOS, price-wise, is right at the almost right at the level of Realty Income, and you get a better distribution. So it's a good headache to have with IYRI and O. Now, I own O. I'm hoping that IYRI is going to be on M1 Finance because I'm going to invest in that. But the people that are doing this and selling it, I've seen it on X. That is a great strategy to sell Realty Income for this. Because, again, as I said before with Stag Industrial, I'll be Grandpa Simpson by the time they increase $3. They take forever. And with Realty Income, if you study the trends, it's only like $1 a year. And it's going to be a while to catch up to 48 cents. So the people that have done this and sold Realty Income for this is actually a rational decision. The trends are not attractive to many people. The trends are not attractive to me. Now, I'm not selling Realty Income. My goal is to get to 200 shares. But they're providing a very strong analytical, tactical, and strategic investing strategy selling Realty Income for IYRI. Anybody that tries to argue that, I'm going to tell them they're crazy because the numbers speak for itself. That is a smart move. And, I had to really think about this with this video. Yes, I know I'm really stuffy because it's about to rain outside. But I can't really attack the people who say it's stupid to sell Realty Income for IYRI. And I'm not going to attack somebody for buying IYRI over Realty Income because there's no argument. That strategy is actually an excellent strategy. So I've seen, I think, 3 or 4 posts on this on X, and I agree with them. But I have a goal to get to 200 shares, and then who knows what'll happen. But what if I use the income of Realty Income to buy the NEOS IYRI? That's one thought process I have, because this is a very good ETF. This is a really good fund by the NEOS ETFs. And, you know, when you have somebody give you rationales as to why they do that, I mean, a lot of people are surprised at Realty Income getting sold, but the people that are doing this are making the right decision. This is a really good dividend investing strategy. And anybody that makes a comment in the comment section, the trends speak for themselves. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to try to squeeze in a video, maybe a shorts on Wednesday. Don't quote me on that, but wow, what a really good strategy the people are doing. So take care and have a good one. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. Go to a financial advisor for financial advice and a tax advisor for tax advice. I'm going to be very straightforward with that. And again, you have to do your due diligence when it comes to investing. You can gain money, you can lose money investing in stocks or ETFs. So do your homework, do your due diligence. Take care and have a good one.